This is Operational Center Manager Todd Nordini from TNW News with a tropical storm update on Tropical Storm Grace. Here's your 5 p.m. video update on Tropical Storm Grace from the TNW News Operational Center from NHC. I repeat, this is Operational Manager Todd Nordini with your 5 p.m. update on Tropical Storm Grace. Open camera.
Squally weather from Grace spreading across the Lesser Antilles. Heavy rainfall across the Lesser and Greater Antilles will be a concern in the coming days. A tropical storm warning is in effect for Antigua and Barbuda, Anguilla, St. Kitts and Nevis, and Montserrat. Saba and Sint Eustatius. Sint Maarten. St. Maarten and St. Barthelemy. British Virgin Islands. U.S. Virgin Islands. Puerto Rico, including Vieques and Culebra. A tropical storm watch is in effect for south coast of the Dominican Republic from Punta Caucedo to Cabo Engano. North coast of the Dominican Republic from Cabo Viejo to Cabo Engano. Tropical storm conditions are expected within the warning area in the Leeward Islands tonight, and in the Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico on Sunday. Tropical storm conditions are possible within the watch area in the Dominican Republic Sunday night and Monday. Interest elsewhere in the Dominican Republic, Haiti, the Turks and Caicos Islands, the southeastern Bahamas, and Cuba should monitor the progress of Grace. Additional watches and warnings could be required for this area tonight or on Sunday. For storm information specific to your area in the United States, including possible inland watches and warnings, please monitor products issued by your local National Weather Service Forecast Office, www.weather.gov. For storm information specific to your area outside of the United States, please monitor products issued by your National Meteorological Service. At 5 p.m. AST, the center of Tropical Storm Grace was located over the Atlantic Ocean about 55 miles, 85 kilometers east of Guadeloupe. It's moving quickly toward the west near 26 miles per hour, 43 kilometers per hour. A motion toward the west-northwest with a gradual decrease in forward speed is expected during the next several days. On the forecast track, the center of Grace is expected to move over the Leeward Islands tonight, near the Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico on Sunday, near or over the Dominican Republic Sunday night and Monday, and then near or over Haiti Monday night. Maximum sustained winds are near 40 miles per hour, 65 kilometers per hour, with higher gusts. Tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 35 miles, 55 kilometers to the north of the center. Some strengthening is forecast to occur during the next day or two. Grace is likely to weaken while it moves near and across the Greater Antilles Monday and Tuesday. Grace is expected to produce the following rainfall amounts Saturday into Tuesday. Over the northern Leeward Islands and Virgin Islands, 3 to 6 inches. This rainfall may produce scattered areas of flash and urban flooding. Over Puerto Rico, 3 to 6 inches with isolated maximum totals of 8 inches. Heavy rainfall could lead to flash, urban and small stream flooding, and possible mudslides. Over Haiti and the Dominican Republic, 4 to 7 inches with isolated maximum totals of 10 inches. Heavy rainfall could lead to flash and urban flooding and possible mudslides from Monday into Tuesday. By mid to late next week, heavy rainfall from this system could impact portions of Cuba, the Bahamas, and Florida. The next completed advisory will be issued by NHC at 11 p.m. AST with an intermediate advisory at 8 p.m. AST. www.hurricanes.gov.
This has been Operational Manager Todd Nardoni with a tropical storm update on Tropical Storm Grace from the NHC. For the intermediate 8 o'clock update, you can find it on our social media pages. Thank you for tuning in for this update on Tropical Storm Grace. I am Todd Nardoni, the Operations Manager for TNW News. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter for the latest on this hurricane season. See you tomorrow for another video update on the tropics.